I'm an enthusiastic learner. Science, obviously. I'm passionate about teaching and creating engineers. Econ is an odyssey. It is a long, eventful, and adventurous journey. See, learn and grow has been a part of us. Anything is possible has been our culture, and that is the reason we have run this company for 18 years. And technology first is what we are and what we have exhibited in all our products. In 2012, world's first embedded stereo vision camera was ours, and the GMSL2 camera, which supported 15-meter cable and the lowest latency in the world, we launched it in 2020. So we have been technology first throughout. And this has been possible because of our culture, freedom to explore. Tennis is my favorite sport. Monica Seles. I watch movies. Very best part of working in econ is creating something. Creating a team, a process, or product, whatever it is, it's creating. So it's wonderful creating something, right? Biryani. See, one skill I would like to learn is, which is the need of the hour right now, is how to retain good resources and how to acquire good resources to my team.